Seriously, someone was saying to me, is the vagina like a pipe? You mean it's really flexible? Of course the vagina is flexible. It's not a pipe. It's not a cave that you're supposed to walk into. It's a potential space. It's closed at rest. It's an accommodator. It accommodates a finger. It can accommodate a penis. It can accommodate a baby's head. It's a potential space, and it's supported by your pelvic floor muscles, fascia, and tissues that give it the tone and the resilience and the bounce that it needs for you to be able to enjoy great sex. When the pelvic floor muscles are exercised, toned, the experience inside the vagina is very different. It's much better vascularized and lubricated. A vagina that's well lubricated and moisturized is also more flexible. It's much more resilient, both to infections as well as to intercourse, the trauma that happens during intercourse. So yes, the vagina is a potential space. It's not a pipe.